Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a 5 off of 25 from Dollar General. 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. All right, y'all. Excuse my voice. It's going hoarse. My allergies and everything, allergies, sinuses, everything has hit the fan. And where I live at, oh my God, it is crazy of our allergies and our sinuses. They just takes us down because we got a lot of trees and everything and different types of trees. But I wasn't going to go to Dollar General today and do a 5 off of 25 because I had said to myself, if they didn't have those Oral-B bright and clean toothbrushes, I wasn't going to do it. But y'all, I don't know what I was thinking. So I went into another store because I was in a different location. Now, the store that I went to today has the new receipt, okay? The new receipt. So I'm going to show y'all where they don't give you free items when it should be free. They discount it to where you have to pay some change, not a penny, but some change. So I'll show you that also on my receipt. So I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right. Now, what the price that I paid, I'm okay with that price because the things that I got in here is the things that I will use, that I need. I have been thinking that on some of my items that I get when I coupon, I'm not going to, even though it might be free, I'm not going to waste my time with it because 9 times out of 10, it sits in my house and then I just donate it, which is nothing wrong with donating. But I'm thinking I'm doing a little different with the couponing. I'm just mainly going to get the things that I know that my family would need or I would need or someone else would want to purchase from me instead of having things just sitting around that don't nobody really want, okay? And like I said, I donate almost every year to things. I got things in my trunk right now that I am going to be donating to the women's shelter. So I understand what y'all talking about when you say, well, you can donate it. Yes, you're right. You can donate it. But sometimes they don't want it. And then sometimes they do. And I don't have time to be wondering if they want it or not. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing I got was this Suave Milk and Honey body wash. Y'all, look at the Suave bottles. They are nice. They are really cute. They are really different and everything. So the Suave body wash is $3.35. There is a Dollar General coupon that is actually attaching to this. So if you have that, go ahead and clip it. These are $3.35. Everything is going up. So I got this because I thought, I was looking at the bottle. I was like, oh my God, it's really nice. And plus it's more. They give you an 18 ounce. So I got that. The next thing I got was the Always Discreet. The Always Discreet are $3.25. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. It has to be the 26 liners. The next thing is the VapoCool Severe. The sore throat, which I'm going to be popping one in a few minutes. I got the honey. I think it's the milk and honey or honey and lemon. It's the honey and lemon. They are, let's see, $2.50. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is these Game Fireworks beads. The Gain fireworks beads. Let's see how much they are, girl. Because I'm sorry. I got this new receipt and I'm used to the old receipts. So they are $4.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is the 5.5 ounce. I didn't want to. I always like to do the 5 off of when they, because you know they got the 5 off of 30, but I like to do the 5 off of 20. So the next thing I got was the Scope Classic. Now this is the one I was telling you about on the new receipts. This is $1, okay? And you know we got a $1 off digital coupon, but it actually only took off 83 cents. It did not give it to me free. Now, when I scanned it in the app with the store, it gave it to me free. But when you go to the register, it only took off 83 cents. That's it, y'all. So that's what I'm telling you when the new receipts compared to the old receipts. I love my old receipts. I hope the store that I go to that has the old receipts, they do not change to the new receipts, but you never know. The next thing is the Arm & Hammer 5-in-1, these power packs. The Arm & Hammer, let's see, they are $4.25, and there is a $1.75 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, I needed this chalk marker. This was just $1. I needed this. So if anybody's looking for any, they have them at the Dollar General store. The next thing is the Febreze Air. Let's see. The Febreze Air is $3.25. There is a $2.30 off digital coupon that is attaching, and that's the name of the scent. The next thing is the Suavitel. The Suavitel, let's see, is $1.95. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that did not come off. No, yes, it did. It came off. The 50 cents off came off. And then the last thing I got was the Unstoppable Touch Fabric Spray. It is, let's see, $5. And there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. So after she rung up everything and I put the number in, my subtotal was $11.92. Yes, $11.92. So let me show you my receipt. So there is everything that I've purchased. You see where it says promotion and all that. So right here, y'all see the 83 cents for the Scope where they discounted. Now I did get my 5 off of 25 because I spent over $25. You know, everybody's taxes is different. There is my subtotal, $11.92. And then here is the 5 off of 25 that I got for next Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nondescript.